It was really overwhelming for me because I never had that sensation.
When you see the lines of people that Laura took pictures of.
The whole city was just in mourning and just experiencing grief.
And what they did was they basically just saw a need and filled it.
To celebrate the relaunch of Hudson whiskey and their deep ties to New York, we recently teamed up to help lift the spirits of the city we both call home. This year's been extremely challenging with lots of uncertainty, but out of all of the struggles, some incredible stories of giving back and supporting others have resulted. So we asked you to nominate the hero in your life, someone who is as bold as New York and deserves to be recognized for their efforts.
A hometown hero that I would like to nominate is my partner, Taylor Stevens.
I'd like to nominate Laura Daly. She's provided food to the challenged families and secured education resources for students to attend class virtually.
And they have made over 7,000 masks. I'm now hearing 9,000. And hand-sewed buttons to it so the masks wouldn't have to go in their ears. I mean, who does that? That's just so sweet.
In partnership with Hudson Whiskey, we designed a special edition bike that the 7 winners each received. We had the pleasure of meeting these New York heroes at our Tribeca showroom, where we awarded them their limited edition bike. Just a small way of saying thank you to the heroes who make New York such a special place.